How to delete TikTok profile photo. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. Simply click on your profile located at bottom right corner of your screen. Simply click on Edit Profile at the top. And here click on Change Photo. There's no simply a option to delete profile photo. You'll simply need to add a blank black one or simply white picture and click on share. After that, as you can see, there is no specific photo, there's just a blank photo. And this is how to delete TikTok profile photo. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.